Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect GitHub Actions to deploy to AWS S3, full guide step by step clearly. To connect GitHub Actions to deploy to AWS S3, begin by ensuring you have a GitHub repository set up. Navigate to your repository on GitHub. Locate the Actions tab at the top of your repository page. Click on New Workflow to create a fresh GitHub Actions workflow. Choose Set up a workflow yourself to start from scratch. In the newly opened file editor, begin by defining the name of your workflow. Use name, deploy to S3 to label your workflow file clearly. Next, specify the trigger for the workflow using on push. This means the workflow will run each time you push to the repository. Now, define the jobs that will run for this workflow. Type jobs to signal the start of your job definition. Then, create a job named deploy by writing deploy. Specify the environment for the job using runs on Ubuntu latest. This indicates that the job will run on the latest version of Ubuntu. Next, set up steps within the job by writing steps. The first step is to check out your code from the repository. Include name, checkout code followed by uses, action/checkout at v2. The next step is to configure AWS credentials. Add name, configure AWS credentials followed by uses, AWS Actions/configure AWS credentials at v1. You need to specify the required inputs. Provide the AWS Access Key ID and AWS Secret Access Key as secrets from your GitHub repository. Next, specify the AWS region where your S3 bucket is located. Add another step to sync your files with S3. Type a name, sync to S3 followed by run AWS S3 sync/path/to/your/files S3 // replace ./path/to/your/files with the actual path of your files. Replace your bucket name with the name of your S3 bucket. Optional, add a step to invalidate CloudFront distribution if you're using it. Include name, invalidate CloudFront with a run command for invalidation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.